Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Then again 12 divided by 3 is equal to also 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. A means addition and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now here is division, also here is division, and here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, okay? So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Then divide by 12, divide by 3. Now here is division and here is division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So 4 divided by 12 can be written as 4 by 12. Okay, divided by 3. Now according to KCF rule, K means skip this fraction 4 by 12 as it is same. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. Okay. And F means flip this last fraction 3 by 1. Here is nothing, so we can write 1. Flip this fraction 1 by 3. Okay. Is equal to 4 multiply 1 is equal to 4. 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36. So 36 divided 4 is equal to 9, and 4 divided 4 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1 by 9. Okay. The correct answer is 1 by 9. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.